Good morning. It's time for the third day of the Allentown Sacred Service District Assembly to get underway. To open the morning session with song and prayer, and also to give us yesterday's highlights, we have Brother Richard Goodman, an elder in the Allentown, Pennsylvania South congregation. Brother Goodman.
The song in your heart. So why not sing along as we sing Song 100, God's Own Book, a Treasure.